Hello internet, welcome to the Unix series of my channel Code with CS guys. Now as you have already seen in the thumbnail, I am gonna explain you short command in 5 simple steps. But before starting, let me tell you guys, knowing something is useless unless you make your hands dirty on it. So all the stuff that I'm gonna explain you in this series will definitely give you full ideas of all the command of Unix, but as I told, knowing something is useless unless you practice it. So I request you guys to practice as much as you can. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Step number 1. The definition of short command. Short command in Unix is used to sort the element or text, which we all know. The short command has the capability of sorting the numerical values and string or alphanumeric character you can say, but this is just the formal definition of short command. The main power of short command comes with its option available to sort in a varieties of way. So let's see the most important options that are available with the short commands. Step number 2. After knowing the formal definition of the short command, let's see some important options available with this short command with an example. So this is the example file that I have, where each line in this file represent a row and each row has 4 fields or columns you can say, separated by space. The space denote the field separator, but it's not compulsory that we will always have a space as a field separator. Like we can have a comma or a question mark as a field separator. Now if your file has such field separator or you want to use some other character as a field separator, you will have to mention it explicitly using -t option and character for the field separator within quotes. That's the first option we have got just now. Let's look on to the second option, which is -r. When we want to sort the row in reverse order, we can use -r options available in the short command. So if I'll write short -r, it will take the first field as the default value for sorting, and if I run this, as expected, we will get the row sorted in the reverse order. Now there may be a situation where we want to sort the row based on the second field or the third field, like the class field I have in this example. So to denote a particular field for sorting, we can use -k option with the field number. So for sorting based on the third field, I will have to write short -k3, and if I run it, as expected, we can see the rows are sorted based on the class, which is the third field I have. Now you are free to give multiple field numbers depending on the sorting criteria you have. The fourth option that I have here is -n, which simply means sorting numerical values. So if your field is having numerical values, you can sort using the -n option to sort them. Step number 3. Apart from knowing the options that are super important, which we have gone through in the second step, let's move on to some other options that are available with this short command. Let's go through it once. -f. -f option is used for case insensitive sort. There may be a situation where a same field will have uppercase and lowercase letters. Then to sort these in a case insensitive way, you can use the -f option. The next option is -u, which is used for suppressing duplicate line in a files. This is also a very common thing. You can have a file where multiple lines contain the same value as it is, which are duplicate we can say. So to remove such duplicate line, we can use -u option. Now the third option which I want to share with you is -M. Please notice the capital M. This -M option is used for sorting month-wise considering the first 3 letters of the month. Step number 4. Till now we have seen each options available with the short command, but our video is still not complete without going through an example. So this is the example that I have already mentioned. The first field represents the ID followed by the name, class and the subject. Now the question is, Sort the input field in the descending order of the class. Now before I actually look and solve this solution, I want you guys to think of the solution by your own by pausing this video, and you can continue if you want. I hope you have got it right. Yes, it's short -n K3 because N is used for numeric sort and K is the field number, which is 3 in this case. So we have got the result. Well done guys. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is nothing but practice, as I have mentioned earlier also. Practice all the options that I have taught you in the short command till now, and if you get some queries, feel free to mention it in the comment section. That's the end of the video. I hope you got some ideas about the short command, but still there are more commands left which you should know. Till then, practice as much as you can, and you can follow me on Instagram. I will give my link in the description below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with CS guys. I'll catch you in the next video.